Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Neptune.ai for model version comparisons, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Neptune.ai. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will now see options for entering your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Login button to proceed. After logging in, you will be directed to your Neptune.ai dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the project where your model versions are stored. Click on the project name to open it. In the project view, find the Model Versions tab listed in the menu. Click on the Model Versions tab to access your models. You will now see a list of all the model versions associated with your project. To compare specific models, select the versions you wish to analyze. Click on the Comparison button or link, usually found at the top of the model list. A new window will open displaying the selected model versions side by side. Here, you can review metrics, parameters, and other relevant information for each version. Use this comparison to determine which model performs best for your needs. Once you've analyzed the differences, you can make informed decisions about your model deployment. If necessary, repeat the process for other models by returning to the model versions list. When finished, you can log out by clicking your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Logout from the drop-down menu to end your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.